Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game not loading or stuck on loading screen showing black screen error on PC. So let's go through the method. The very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon and then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Next method is to run the game as admin. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. But if this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. The next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you can click on allow another app, go to the browse section, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if the problem is fixed. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the descriptions and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to update your Windows. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update and here you have to click on check for updates option. This will check and update your Windows to the latest version. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to stop overclock CPU or GPU settings. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it, as this can lead to such kind of unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will surely help to fix the problem. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for task manager. Now under background process tab, here you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. You simply have to copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option and wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC and after that, again log into the game and check if the game is opening or not. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to search for graphic settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance and after that, try to launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So if nothing works or none of the above methods works, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to the Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game and finally click on the play button to check if the game is launching or not.